Hey TTC family, it's Miss T here and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be learning how to spell and write the CVC word lip. So the word lip has 3 letters and those letters are L, I, P. And L, I, P spells the word lip. Now on the count of 3, I want you guys to spell the word lip with me. 1, 2, 3. L-I-P spells the word lip. Nice job. So now we're going to move on and now write the word lip. And we're going to write the word lip 4 times. The first 2 times we're going to write the word lip using capital L, or you can call it big L. And then the next 2 times we're going to write the word lip, we're going to be using lowercase l, or you can call it little l. So let's get started with writing the word lip using capital L first. So the first letter in the word lip is L. The second letter in the word lip is I. And then the third and last letter in the word lip is P. And L-I-P spells the word lip. Let's go ahead and write the word lip one more time using capital L. So the first letter in the word lip is L. After L, we have I. And after I, we have P. And L-I-P spells the word lip. Awesome job. So now let's move on and now write the word lip 2 more times, but using lowercase l. So the first letter in the word lip is still L, but we're using lowercase l this time. After L, we have I, and after I, we have P. And L-I-P spells the word lip. Nice job. Let's go ahead and write the word lip one more time together, TTC family, using lowercase l. So the first letter is L. After L, we have I. And then after I, we have P. And L-I-P spells the word lip. Nice job, TTC family. You guys did an awesome job learning how to spell and write the word lip using capital L and then also lowercase l. So go ahead and pat yourself on the back. Awesome job. So now we're going to play a little game called Word Scramble. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to scramble up the letters in the word lip. And then you guys are going to have to try to spell the word lip the correct way. All right, so I want you guys to go ahead, close your eyes, no peeking. Go ahead, close your eyes, and I'm going to scramble up these letters. All right, TTC family, go ahead, open your eyes. So here we see we have P-L-I. And we know P-L-I does not spell the word lip. So we have to go ahead and spell the word lip the correct way. So what's the first letter in the word lip? Nice job. The first letter is L. So we're going to put an L here, and we're going to go ahead and cross out our L. What's the second letter in the word lip? Nice. The second letter is I. We're going to cross out our I. And what's the last and final letter in the word lip? Awesome. The last letter is P. And L-I-P spells what word, TTC family? Correct. L-I-P spells the word lip. Awesome job. All right, TTC family. Bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey TTC family, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.